What's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Xiaomi is making a splash in the flagship market with this new Mi 10 Pro 5G. It brings the 108 megapixel camera tech that Xiaomi made headlines with last winter, as well as plenty of other premium features. Can it give Samsung and Apple a run for their money? Let's find out in our full review. With the Mi 10 Pro 5G, there's no doubt that you're gazing upon a premium device. It's made of gently curved Gorilla Glass 5, and it has a solid aluminum frame. Our 10 Pro is in the Solstice Gray finish. For now, the device comes strictly in matte color options. While it isn't so flashy, it still looks great when it catches the light. The finish feels great too, silky smooth. The phone is quite thin at the edges, and the sharpness adds a bit of grip as well. There's something missing here as a flagship, and that's IP68 dust and water resistance. There is some splash proofing in the design, but you don't get the same peace of mind you would with some competitors. The Mi 10 Pro's screen is curved to be symmetrical to the back panel, and it's protected by the same Gorilla Glass 5. It's a tall 6.67-inch OLED with a tiny punch hole for the selfie cam up in the corner. High refresh rate screens are all the rage these days, and the Mi 10 Pros fits the bill with this 90Hz refresh rate. It makes moving elements seem silky smooth to the eye. The screen resolution, however, is only 1080p, which isn't quite up to par with the competition. Nevertheless, everything looks pretty sharp. Blacks are super deep, and you have lively colors, which can also be said to be quite accurate in settings. This display also has excellent brightness, up to 510 nits with a manual slider, and up to 860 nits in auto mode when out in the sun. So on the visual side of things, the experience is great on this device, but Xiaomi has taken care of the audio side as well with its dedicated stereo speakers. Rather than having the earpiece as one of the speakers, here you get an identical speaker on the top and the bottom. Of course, this means that they're well balanced, and in our tests, the sound quality was the best that we've had on a phone so far. The phone also scored very good in loudness. If you'd rather use headphones instead, you won't find a 3.5mm jack here. A USB adapter should come in the retail package, or you can use USB-C or wireless headphones. Unlocking the Mi 10 Pro is super easy. It uses the latest generation of under-display optical fingerprint reader, and it responds lightning fast. The Mi 10 Pro's interface is Xiaomi's MIUI 11, based on Android 10. The interface is quite clean and bloat-free, at least in our global version of the phone. As you'd expect from Xiaomi, there's no app drawer, so your apps will be on the home screen if you stick to this default launcher. There's a dark mode which looks snazzy, and also can save you some battery on an OLED display. You don't get expandable storage on this device, so you'll have to make do with what's on board. You do get plenty though, with options for 256 or 512 gigs. There are also a couple of other features worth mentioning. There's an IR blaster which you can use to control appliances with. And there's also support for NFC, for connectivity or mobile payments. As a flagship, you'd expect nothing less than cutting-edge performance, and the Mi 10 Pro doesn't disappoint here. It runs on a Snapdragon 865 chipset, which supports full 5G connectivity. Benchmark performance is among the best out there, and the gaming performance here is great, especially with games that support the 90Hz screen refresh rate. And while the phone does get warm after long sessions, we didn't notice any meaningful throttling. Powering all of this is a large 4500 mAh battery. It does an excellent job. The Mi 10 Pro scored an excellent endurance rating of 101 hours in our battery life tests. That was with the screen at 90Hz. Dialing it down to 60Hz resulted in a score of 105 hours. The Mi 10 Pro comes bundled with a laptop-grade 65-watt USB-C charger, even though the phone only supports up to 50 watts. Still, we didn't have any problems, and we were able to charge from 0 to 77% in just half an hour. You also get support for fast wireless charging, up to 30 watts, which you can achieve with one of Xiaomi's proprietary charging pads. The Mi 10 Pro 5G has a high-end quad-camera setup on the back, not unlike the one you'd find on the Mi Note 10. There's a 108-megapixel quad-Bayer main cam. Then there are two telephoto cams, an 8-megapixel 5x1 and a 12-megapixel 2x1. Finally, there's a 20-megapixel ultra-wide snapper with autofocus. Like we've done with some other phones with advanced camera systems, here we'll have more of a camera summary, and we'll have a full camera review in a separate video. Shots from the main camera come out in 25 megapixels, and these are simply awesome. Among the best we've seen from a smartphone yet. Plus, the sensor's large size means that you get a shallow depth of field, handy for taking some artistic-looking shots. As far as zoom goes, the 12 megapixel 2x telephoto takes flagship-grade photos, which are not only high in quality, but match the colors of the main cam's shots. The other 8 megapixel zoom camera provides 5x zoom, and basically everything about these shots is great, except that deep down we can't forget that the camera has a 3.7x zoom and crops the center of the sensor to achieve 5x. At night, the main camera takes some really impressive shots, even without night mode. From closer examination, however, the details don't appear as sharp as the competition. The same goes for the ultra-wide cam at night, even more so. And in general, the 2x zoom is done digitally in low light instead of using the dedicated camera. The 5x zoom does work in low light. Actually, its photos are great. They're probably the best nighttime zoom shots we've seen yet. Selfies are taken with the 20 megapixel quad-bayer selfie cam. These are good, but nothing too impressive as far as sharpness is concerned. The Mi 10 Pro has a ton of video recording options, including the ability to shoot in 8K at 30 FPS with the main cam. But even if you had a means to play it back in its native resolution, the 8K footage isn't that impressive detail-wise, and it gobbles up storage like there is no tomorrow. In contrast, 4K video from the main cam, 12 megapixel telephoto camera, and ultra-wide camera are great, totally flagship worthy. The 8 megapixel telephoto with the 5x zoom can't be used to take video. So that's the Mi 10 Pro 5G. Who would have thought that Xiaomi, known for its more budget-friendly phones, could offer one of the most cutting-edge devices on the market right now? You get a beautiful build, a high refresh rate OLED screen, exceptional stereo speakers, top-notch performance, excellent battery life with fast charging, and one of the best camera experiences you can buy. Basically, the only things missing here are full waterproofing and expandable storage. Also, the selfie cam is alright, but not the best. But still, these are just nitpicks. Let's talk price though. At €1,000, this is up there with the most expensive Xiaomi phones ever made. But this is a flagship after all, and it comes with the territory. If you're okay with that, then the Mi 10 Pro definitely deserves a recommendation. Thanks for watching guys, stay safe and see you on the next one.